Guys, hawak natin right now ang bagong-bago Redmi Note 14 4G. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa laman na itong box na ito. Unbox muna natin. So, ganito itsura ng box ni Redmi Note 14 4G, no? So, actually, nagulat ako na hindi pa rin kinakalimutan ni Xiaomi ang 4G. So, this is being powered by the Xiaomi HyperOS. And yeah, Redmi Note 14. So, what I have here is a 6 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. Ocean Blue ang hawak ko right now. So, if we unbox this one, you see a small box. No? So, may SIM ejector tool siya. Meron siya user guided manual and warranty card. Plus, of course, yung kanyang color black na jelly case. No? So, malambot lang siya. Then, of course, inside, buksan natin lahat, no? Have your charging cable na Type-C, and of course, you have your 33 watts na charging brick. So, here are some specs na i-expect mo dito sa phone na ito. 108 MP, 5,000 mAh ka ng battery, Helio G99 Ultra, CG5 ba? Not bad. And 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So, yeah. Ocean Blue nga sinabi ko sa inyo. Flat ang kanyang likod and matte finish ang kanyang likod. And kanyang camera module looks a little bit like the iPhone. No? So, hindi natin ma-deny. So, this is how it looks like on the side. Sa ilalim. And ito yung tsura na sa ibabaw. So, yeah. Basically, this is how it looks like for the Redmi Note 14 na 4G. Okay naman. Mabilis naman siya i-operate. Smooth naman siya. And pag try na tayo mag-quick snap, no? Isang photo dito. Snap. No. Try na natin tingnan. Not so bad. So, medyo hindi lang ganun ka-clear pag zoom in mo. But nevertheless, alam naman natin, this is a budget phone. So, yeah. Stay tuned kayo guys, no? I-full review natin to phone na ito, si Redmi Note 14. So, do follow me sa aking page at Gadget Sidekick sa YouTube and sa TikTok. So, I'll see you there.